Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making Cajun baked chicken with cabbage. So I started off by seasoning the chicken, so I'm showing you each seasoning that I'm using. So now I'm just adding some Cajun seasoning. So I'm just mixing it up right now, and then I'm going to be adding some paprika for a little color, and I'm going to add some cayenne pepper. Okay, so now it's time to put it in the pan and add some butter on top, and then put it in the oven and let it cook. This is how it looked once it was done. Now it's time to start on the cabbage. So I'm just cutting the cabbage up into smaller pieces. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you like, comment, and share the video. Now it's time to put it in a bowl so I can rinse it off. Then I'm going to be adding it into the pan and adding some seasonings. Now I'm just stirring it up and I'm going to let it cook, but I don't like my cabbage too soft, so we're not going to cook it that long, and then I'm going to show you how it looks.